PCG, the Philippine Coast Guard commissioned the last two 24-meter fast patrol boats with the Department of Budget and Management Secretary, Honorable Benjamin Diokno as guest of honor and speaker, and the Department of Transportation Undersecretary for Administration and Finance, Attorney Gary V. Guzman as the presiding officer at the National Headquarters Philippine Coast Guard today, January 16. Barco ng Republica ng Pilipinas, BRP, Malamay, Fast Patrol Boat 2403, under the helm of Lieutenant Commander Rolando L. Lorenzana PCG and BRP Kalangaman, FPB 2404, with Commander Glenn B. Durog PCG as its commanding officer. The 4 24-meter fast patrol boats acquired from France were named after the prominent Philippine islands known for their tourism aesthetic and environmental features. As a tradition, a vessel is being commissioned to grant its identity to belong to a service and to authorize it to perform the mandated missions of the agency, fly the national ensign, jack flag and the commission pennants. PCG Commandant, Admiral Elson Hermagino said in his speech, "These 4 patrol boats will be the new face of the PCG's multi-purpose fast craft. Measuring 24 meters long and with top speeds of 30 knots, the fast patrol boat is both agile and sturdy, perfect for patrolling our maritime boundaries as well as the narrow straits in between the islands of the archipelago. These ships are newly constructed by our friends from Ocea in France and made to our specifications, built for the Philippine seas." More so, Admiral Hermagino stated that since the commissioning of the first 2 FBSs in October 2018, they have been performing well in the PCG surveillance and law enforcement operations against smuggling, among others. With the introduction of 2 more such fine ships to our fleet, our operations will only become better and more efficient. This is the way of the modern Coast Guard, modern equipment to match the skill and courage of our men and women, he added. Meanwhile, an 82-meter offshore patrol vessel is scheduled to arrive in August 2019.